Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant error code val5. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to log out everywhere. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for right games. Click on the right games site. You just need to log into your account. After logging to your account, select the profile icon over here and select settings. In here you just need to scroll down. You will be get login management. Click on the logout everywhere option and select confirm. After doing this, you can open the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to flash DNS and reset network settings. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.